Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about right triangle star pattern. The coding we are going to discuss here, this is very important code you need to understand because you are going to get a good clarity about in the nested loops how the inner loop is going to be controlled by using outer loop. This is the point you are going to get clarity in this class. This type of controlling we are going to use multiple times when we discuss placement examples and when we discuss data structures in our coming classes. So that's why this example is very important. Now let's try to understand what this example means, and we are going to provide you an intuition. After getting the intuition, we will discuss about the code. We can solve this example in two ways, by using nested loops and by using single loop. The single loop coding part is exclusively possible only in Python. In remaining languages, it is not possible. That's why we are discussing both the ways. Now let's try to understand the question. In this question, you have to provide you an input. If your input is 5, n is equal to 5, you need to display like this. This is the pattern you need to display. In the first line, 1 star. In the second line, 2 stars. In the third line, 3 stars. In the fourth line, 4 stars. In the fifth line, 5 stars. This is what you need to display. Suppose if your n is equal to 6, if your input is 6, you need to display 6th line, 6 stars. If your input is 10, 10th line, 10 stars. That is what you need to display. So now coming to the intuition part, understand it properly. Suppose if you want to display star, display star, display star, display star, display star, the same code if you want to repeat, you need a loop. So if you want to display one line, we are using a loop for j in range of 1 comma, what value we need to fill here? That's the question you keep in your mind. You'll get clarity soon. So which value we need to fill here? So assume that we have filled with value 5, means this loop is going to execute 5 times. It go inside print star, print star, print star, print star. It is going to fill the line with 5 stars. So the point you need to understand, this piece of code is used to display one line. Okay. Now the same code, repeat, same code, repeat, same code, repeat, third line, same code, repeat, fourth line, same code, repeat, fifth line. Means this piece of code, if you place it in a loop, that is what nested loop is. But the point you need to understand, for the first time if you execute this loop has to execute one time because it has to display only 1 star. Second time when you execute this code, this loop has to execute 2 times. Third time when you execute this code, this loop has to execute 3 times. Means this value is dynamic. How we are going to control that? That is the point you need to get clarity in the coding. Hope you got good intuition about how to write the code. Now we move on to the coding part. So before we move on to the coding part, if you like our content, you can study complete computer science at architect level. If you like our content, please share and subscribe to our channel. Coming to the coding part, let's try to understand. This is the pattern you need to display. For j in range of 1 comma, for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1, this outer loop is going to mention how many lines. This outer loop is going to execute for n times. If n is equal to 5, 5 lines. If n is equal to 6, 6 lines. Outer loop is mentioning the line numbers. So the I value that consists here is, first time when this loop go inside, the I value is 1. Second time when it go inside, the I value is 2. Third time when you go inside, when this loop go inside, the I value is 3. So line numbers, remember this, in order to display this pattern, I is mentioning the line numbers. When it go inside, the inner loop for j in range of, it is going to display stars. It is going to display stars in a line. When I is equal to 1, how many times you have to display? How many stars you have to display? For first line, you need to display 1 star. For second line, you need to display 2 stars. That's why we are going to control this inner loop by using outer loop value. What is that value? I plus 1, 1 comma I plus 1. Whenever this loop, whenever the code enters into the first time into the first loop, outer loop, whenever the code enters here, what is the I value? 1. Whenever it enters second time, what is the I value? 2. Whenever it enters third time, I value is 3. Whenever it enters fourth time, I value is 4. We are controlling this inner loop by using outer loop. This is the point you need to get clarity. So that for the first line, it is going to display 1 star. For the second line, it is going to display 2 stars. For the third line, it is going to display 3 stars, so on. Hope you got good clarity how to display this right triangle pattern. Now coming to the next code part, we can solve this using single loop also. This is possible only in Python because of some programming facility. We can do this. See here, for I in range of 1 to n plus 1, n lines you need to display. Each time it go inside, print star multiplied by I times, means display star I times. For the first time, I is 1. For the second time, I is 2. For the third time, I is 3. So display star 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So that's why writing code in Python is a bit easy when compared to the other programming languages. Hope you got good clarity about how to write this right triangle pattern. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates.